In this video, I will show you how you can block someone on Facebook Marketplace. Open Facebook Marketplace. Here, tap on the profile icon and go to your profile. Go to your listings. Open a listing where someone harassing you or disturbing you. Open the listing and scroll down and you will find the chats about these listings. Open the person's chat whom you want to block. Now tap on the I button from the top right corner and you will find the menu. Then scroll down this page and you will find block a member. Tap on block a member and select the name and then block. This person is now blocked in our Facebook Marketplace listings. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way, you can block someone on Facebook Marketplace. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.